Hey, what's up guys? Just doing a daily upload or whatever you want to call it for YouTube, and figured just put up a little cold start video of the exhaust on the Cayman. I've got a 9871, a 2006, 3.4 liter, flat six, and I've got the plenum and the GT3 throttle body on it. I don't have any intake on it. Everything else from like an exhaust flow perspective is stock, except for the headers. I've got the Top Gear. If you haven't heard of Top Gear, check them out. They are incredible. Like literally, in my opinion, the best sounding exhaust I've ever heard. Maybe I'm biased, but like we just went to a little local car gathering the other day, and they had a Lamborghini there, a Viper, some other cool modded cars. And I swear, I think mine sounds like the most crisp. Maybe the lightened flywheel helps with that, just the snap when you're shifting or downshifting. But man, it just sounds unreal. It sounds like a GT Cup car, and it sounds crisp and tight. There's no drone. I can't say enough positive things about this exhaust. So if you're considering exhaust for your Porsche Cayman S, definitely check out Top Gear. They are very, very price competitive for what else is on the market. Kind of roughly about half the cost of some of the other traditional, really well-known brands in the market. And I think they sound better. Even in my opinion, they sound as good as or better than the Soul stuff. So as good as or better. So that's my opinion. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Just wanted to let you guys know. So I've got the Top Gear headers, the 200 cell cats in them. So they are catted headers, but they're, it's very minimal in contrast to the stock stuff. And then the Top Gear valved exhaust. So I've got a little like remote that I can close and open the valve for. To be honest, I have not even closed them since I've got them on. So I doubt you will too, but definitely check them out. They're pretty sweet. And let me know if you want to get in touch with someone that sells them. I've been working with a guy, actually met him through Facebook, through Porsche Cayman groups, and he's been awesome. He's helped get me really good pricing on some of this stuff, and the product, fit and finish, install, everything went really smoothly. So I don't think you guys would have any issues. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Get some exhaust, make these things sound the way they're supposed to, and hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys.